the Darker Lord.
And I'm Markov Yuri, the wife of the Darker Lord.
Today, we will talk about the peeing sound effect from a Morashi mission. Before we test this sound effect, we will preview it.
Yeah, here's what the peeing sound effect sounds like. 1. It's from a video called A Morashi Mission, BK, left curly bracket dash acron right curly bracket, P sound.
2. It was uploaded to YouTube on October 22nd, 2022. 3. The timestamps from the video are 131 to 140. The total seconds are 9.
That's right. And 4. The music will be removed at the beginning and the end. I will show you the sound effect from this video. It looks like this. See, that's how the peeing sound effect sounds like. And 5. This sound is only used when I pee in the toilet, when I really need to pee.
Great idea, darling. Are you going to test it?
Yes, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and test it right now.
Okay, just be back in a moment.
Yes, sir. I feel so much better.